Today I'd like to talk about 6 ways you can make more money with your videography business. Hi, my name's Matt and recently I've started a new business and I thought I'd document that whole process so you can learn from my successes and avoid my mistakes. If that sounds like your cup of tea, do me a favor and subscribe. I've spent a lot of time recently thinking about how I can maximize the profit per customer in my new business. And since we are charging by minute and final video, not by hour or day rates, I thought about how to maximize the earnings per customer by implementing upsells and cross-sells and so forth to make more money per customer. The first and most obvious upsell solution is to use the video to make a second video with the existing material and create a social ad, for example, or an Instagram ad or a Facebook ad to be more specific, and charge extra for that video. And basically all you have to do is calculate the additional editing cost because all the material is already shot on your normal video shoot day. If we are thinking about 100 clients per year and a conversion rate of 25% for this upsell, you can make an additional 12.5 grand a year if you charge 500 bucks for that kind of social video, which is a steal for your clients. The next upsell I came up with was to sell portrait shots of the staff members. And every business owner needs staff pics that he can put on his website or his Google business account or his Instagram page and so forth. And I thought about taking portrait shots, and the client would get about 3 shots per staff member, and each staff member would be additional 50 bucks. So let's say he had the average of staff members is 5. 50 times 5 is 250 times 25 clients, 25% conversion rate of 100 clients per year, equals an additional revenue of $6,250 per year, which isn't that bad. The third way to make more money is by hosting the video for your client. Most of the clients we've shot videos for don't have a YouTube or Vimeo or Vistia account, so they need a place to host their video in order for them to put it on their website. And 2 clients asked us if we could host that video for them. And I'm not talking about charging for the web space or the hosting, I'm talking about charging for the actual work it takes to put it on your YouTube channel as a not listed video and charge for that time. And I thought about 25 bucks to host that video on your own channel. So each time someone views it on their website, your channel gets accredited with that view, and your channel and your brand name will be pushed through this client's website, which is a nice additional bonus. And if we stick to the 25 clients and 25 bucks, we get another 625 bucks a year just for hosting a video and promoting our own business on the client's website. And with that comes the 4th way of making more money, and that is simply by implementing the video on your client's homepage. So let's say you host it on your YouTube channel and your client doesn't know how to implement it on his website. You simply put that video on his website and charge another 25 bucks for it, which results in another $625 a year that you can make on the site with that. The 5th way to make more money is by using the B-roll that you've shot for your video and sell it on Stockvideo Sites or Stockvideo Sites. You have to be careful with the model release and all that, but given you have the proper legal documentation, you can use all the footage you shot and put it on Stockvideo Sites. Let's say, for argument's sake, that you can use the videos of 25 clients and you put 50 videos per client onto a Stockvideo site, like Blackbox or Shutterstock Video. So that means you have 50 shots times 25 clients, and let's say you get about $5 per year per shot. making you an additional $6,250 per year for your stock videos. The last way to make more money per client is by setting up their Google Business account with your video, so integrating the video to their Google Business. And I've found that some clients don't even have a Google Business account, so you can set that up for them, integrate the video, their basic information like opening hours, website address and so forth, and charge for that. In my example, I'm going to charge $150 per Google My Business page, and again 25 clients, 25% conversion rate of 100 clients a year, giving us $3,750 a year. If we combine all that and put the amount of money we make on the site or by offering additional services, we end up with roughly $30,000 a year that we can make on top of our normal videography business. And $30,000 is quite a lot of money for no additional acquisition cost. This amount is on top of your regular profit because you don't have to spend any more money to get to the client, to acquire the client and so forth. All you do is provide additional service for existing clients, and that makes a huge difference. So these $30,000 are quite a nice addition to your regular income, given you have 100 clients a year and 25% of them agree to your additional services.